Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report.
Football fans in Western Jamaica will have double delight as the Montego Bay Sports Complex will host 2 international friendlies next month. General Secretary of the Jamaica Football Federation, Dennis Chung, on Tuesday confirmed that Jamaica's Reggae Girls will host the 50th ranked South Africans.
As I said to you also, the Montego Bay Sports Complex is being worked on. So for the 2 games the girls have coming up in November 29th and December 2nd, it's actually going to be at the Montego Bay Sports Complex in Catherine Hall.
Meanwhile, Chung says that the recent announcement of renovations to the National Stadium in Kingston will not affect the hosting of important home games at the venue.
It's not that it's going to affect the playing surface. It's just reduced attendance or capacity to host people. Remember also that while this is happening, the Montego Bay Sports Complex is being developed. So I expect the field is in a good condition out here. I expect that they're going to develop the stands also, because I've been talking to the mayor down there. So I think we'll have the capacity, right? Even if we have reduced capacity at the stadium, right, I think we'll still be able to manage it once the field facility is there.
West Indies women's captain Hayley Matthews says Tuesday's 6-wicket win over England in their final Group B encounter at the ICC T20 World Cup shows that the team has what it takes to win the title. The Windies book a semi-final spot against New Zealand on Friday after half-centuries from Matthews and St. Lucian Kiana Joseph carried them to 144 for 4 after being set 141 to win. Matthews says the win is a massive boost to the team, having not beaten the English in their prior 13 meetings.
We're just incredibly proud of what we've been able to do so far this tournament. I think a lot of people wrote us off coming into this tournament, and the way we've been able to go about our cricket, especially after the start we had against South Africa, and we've just bounced back against Scotland, against Bangladesh, and I think we haven't beat England in about 6 years. As far as I can remember, the last time we beat them was back in 2018, but everyone still came here with a belief and a fight, and it just shows what we can do as a West Indian team. I think a lot of people coming up against us know that if it is one thing we've got, it's a lot of heart and a lot of fights.
Finally, after the international break, the Jamaica Premier League returns today with a full slate of games. At 3 p.m, Harbourview will host Portmore United at the Harbourview Stadium, while Racing United will play Cavalier at Ferdanita Park. Dunbeholden will also play Tivoli Gardens at Dunbeholden in another 3 p.m. game. At 6 p.m, Premier League football will return to the Drewsen Stadium as Waterhouse hosts Vier United. At the Montego Bay Sports Complex in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay United will battle Malines United starting at 7. A doubleheader is scheduled for the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex, where Chapperton Maroons will play Humbeline in the Clarendon Derby at 5 p.m, while Arnett Gardens take on Mount Pleasant in the featured game at 7:30. That's it for your midday sports report. I'm Renata Brown.
Thanks, Renato. And that concludes the midday news package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.